Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to know about what is ChatGPT 4. Yes, the latest version which is released from ChatGPT OpenAI. So let's see. Quickly, I'll show you a simple demonstration about ChatGPT OpenAI 4. So go to Google and just simply hit ChatGPT and hit enter. If you are watching first time this video channel, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see. When I hit Google ChatGPT, introducing ChatGPT OpenAI, click here for OpenAI, introducing ChatGPT. We have trained a model called ChatGPT which is interacts conversational way, where the dialogues are going to be receiving like saying a question and answer. What recording like in information which we required, we asked ChatGPT by sending in a message and asking a query, it will respond us. And not only a simple, not only a references. Yes, it's greatly giving us a great information. Let's see, click on try ChatGPT. For this, if you are already registered, you will see this window, chat window readily available. If you are new to logging using ChatGPT, here you need to enroll or register by using Microsoft email ID or Google email ID. So having an account, it will be ready to use absolutely free for ChatGPT. So these versions, the up-to-date capabilities which are available, which are added, and what the users are requesting ChatGPT, all the queries which are maybe partially resolved queries, all are added up to date. The database would be like up to 2021 database which are in the world and the universe. So let's see, not only ChatGPT will support you to given a proper response by creative thoughts, business thoughts, and preparing a resume and CV. By adding an experience, you will get a great response from this ChatGPT. And in terms of software developers and coders, if you need a coding or logic or a program, why are you late? You just ask ChatGPT, prepare a calculator program in Python. Why don't we? Let's see. Like I'll ask a ChatGPT, write a calculator program in Python. Let's hit and enter. Just as certain submitted a query. Wow, it's really creating an addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division independent methods. The code is prepared. So here by calling and adding, even I didn't written a single line of code. So all the code you can use this clip like a clipboard, like a copy code. You can take it, copy and paste into your IDE, which is your favorite IDE which are running in Python code. So using this, you just have enough. Very quickly you can resolve your own problem statements. So strongly remember, once you perfect on any programming language or any of the way of basics, then you can easily utilize this ChatGPT and making you a superman in AI technology. Try today, subscribe for more video lectures. Thank you.